In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change source branch in Vercel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so your deployments come from the branch you expect, whether that's for production, preview, or development. Start by heading to vercel.com and opening your dashboard. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the list of your projects. Find the project you want to update, then click the three dots on its card or row. That opens a Quick Actions menu. From there, choose Settings to enter the project's configuration area. We'll make the change inside project settings, not at the team level. Once you're in the project settings, look to the left sidebar and open Environments. This page groups settings by environment so you can control behavior for production, preview, and development independently. That's important because the source branch can mean different things depending on which environment you're adjusting. For example, production usually tracks a stable branch like main or release, while preview might track multiple branches for feature work. Next, select the environment you want to edit. Click to open it so you can see its specific controls. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place, because changes here will immediately affect how Vercel picks commits for that environment. Inside the selected environment, look for the section labeled Branch Tracking. This is where Vercel decides which Git branch feeds deployments for the environment you're editing. Click the control to change the source branch. You'll typically see a drop-down or an input where you can pick from existing branches in your connected Git repository. Choose the branch you want Vercel to track. For production, that might be main or release. For preview, it could be a pattern or a specific branch you're focusing on. If your desired branch doesn't appear, make sure it exists in your Git provider and that the project is correctly linked. After selecting the new branch, review any on-screen prompts. In many cases, changes save automatically. If you see a Save button, click it to confirm. Changing the source branch can trigger a new deployment, so it's a good idea to watch the Deployments tab to verify the build starts and completes successfully. If your app uses environment variables or framework presets, ensure those are already configured for this environment so the build behaves as expected. And remember, you can always switch back by returning to branch tracking and selecting the previous branch if needed. That's all you need to do to change the source branch in Vercel with confidence.